Oh, hello, sugared peppermint candy Christmas soap making. I have no idea where this idea came from. None. Because, it, did I hit the play button on the video? Yeah, oh, it's just a long title. Here we go. Here's what we're working with today. Lots of pink.
Very pink.
Craving pink and sugar and pink and pink and peppermint. When I think of peppermint, I think of pink. I don't know why. But this is maybe my favorite soap that I've made in the last month. I'm not sure.
I don't remember seeing this one.
Really? Wow. Okay. Well, you'll see it at the end. We've just added our lye water solution to our oils, and we're going to whizzy let's get busy in a minute after I stir too much.com. And here we go. Great sound effects. What would I do without you?
Plop and sizzle.
Plop and whizzle. So, it's been a while since I've made this. It's already fully cured. It'll drop in October. If it hasn't actually, by the time you're seeing this, it's already on the website, guaranteed, because right now is October.
So what scent is this?
Peppermint.
On its own?
Candied peppermint candy. Okay?
Ah.
I'm going to tell you exactly what Windy Point Soap Supplies says about peppermint candy fragrance oil. Okay? Let's see. It's the fragrance of icy cool peppermint, fresh and minty and totally peppermint. So, basically I could have just said it's peppermint. But anyway, we have to check these things. You just never know. Here's the colors we're working with.
Pink and white.
And pink. And white. And pink. And white. So, what have we been doing lately? Oh! We are grandparents for the first time. Baby is almost 3 months old. Her name is Parker. We had her for 6 hours last weekend. And it's amazing how, between you and me, we've raised 7, 8 kids. So, but it is amazing how you forget that you can't do anything when you have a baby. Like take a shower, there's just no...
It reminds you of the routine. I mean, we split it with spoonless, so that was okay, but it does show you that. It doesn't matter how experienced you are,
Right,
you remember how trying it is.
God, it's like, you can't get a minute to do. I wouldn't be able to make soap. It was a real eye-opener. Obviously, I didn't forget that fact, but I forgot what it felt like. And also, I think she weighs 12 pounds now. And my arms and shoulder muscles were killing me the next day. That's crazy. I'm so out of shape.
Well, that's
I used to lug around
the baby for 20 odd years.
Right, but I used to lug around 3-year-old toddlers on my hip. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's exciting for us, but also eye-opening. Now you think that piping has gotten too thick, right? It's a trick. It's just tricking you. Start blending it. It'll loosen right up. Completely fluid. I think they call that false trace. I could be wrong.
False what?
Trace.
Oh.
I could be wrong. But I do believe that was a false trace. What else have we been doing? We're waiting for our favorite shows to come out on Netflix. Ozark, Better Call Saul, Peaky Blinders, Dead to Me, and a number of others. We're getting excited for those.
So we've been watching reruns, and occasionally we're finding something to watch, but it seems to be very repetitively samey at the moment because things are behind. So
Yes.
we're waiting for them to come back.
Who's the best character in Ozark?
Oh God, there's
By far, Jason Bateman. Hello.
well, you would say that, yeah. I thought he was asking me a general question as a point that.
No, what's your opinion?
I want you to say that Jason Bateman is the best character.
No, I want to know what your opinion is, who the best character is in your mind.
Well, I mean, he's a lead role, you know, and he's really good at what he does. So
He's a
you know,
good
he's up
actor.
there. But there is quite a lot of weird characters in it and interesting characters. But I forget now because it's been that long since we watched it.
Yeah.
And some of these shows now, they have 20, 30 storylines because of the characters, right?
Yeah. Like, you finally got me to watch Sons of Anarchy. Am I saying that right? Anarchy.
Sons of Anarchy. Yeah, I mean, I've watched that once, then you started to watch it again. It's amazing how much you forget, but how many characters are in it.
Sons of Anarchy.
And
those are just little cake sprinkles.
What else have we got in there? Oh, yeah.
Who's the best character in Sons of Anarchy? Glycerin Melton Pour. Cubes.
I like Tig, the Canadian actor Kim Coates. I think he's really good, but they're all good. But I like Tig.
Covered in sugar. These little glycerin cubes. They almost look like Turkish delights, but anyway.
Better Call Saul, which is fabulous, and
best character in Better Call Saul is obviously Saul.
Yeah, he's a great actor.
Best character in Peaky Blinders. That's a tough one. There's so many.
Well, I like Arthur because Arthur
Arthur.
Arthur's very explosive because of his PTSD from
Look
the
at
First
how
World
pretty
War.
that is.
Yum, yum, yum,
this
yum,
is the one you don't remember? Or is it coming to you now?
No, I don't remember it.
Really?
You probably show me, but I don't remember it, no.
So it'll be a surprise for you when we cut it right now.
Slice.
I think this is the one where my drop swirl was too fluid. I like how the white contrasts against the natural color of the soap.
Just like a nice work of art inside, and you just don't know what you're going to get.
Right.
Kaleidoscope of colours.
Every bar is different. Oh, it smells delicious though. I hope I had some slivers left of this one because I love peppermint. It's so soothing. That was a big drop of pink there, eh?
Yeah, each one's different, eh?
Yeah. So if you're still hanging in there with us at this point in the video, we appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed already, we put videos out every Saturday, and Tuesday is fast version video day, where you'll see a soap making video in under 3 minutes-ish. Hit that subscribe button if you like, the notification bell so you don't miss anything. This soap should be available at fruitsofaloon.com as we speak. And look at that, there is a sliver.
Another slither.
Yay. Sliver. That one's pretty. They're all pretty. I like it. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next Saturday.
Time.
There's a brace.
A brace.
A brace of
Pinky
soaps.
soapy.